Go! Boom! 2, 3, go!
The daddy and the baby.
Bakit naman nagkaroon dito ng patisan? Ano ba yan?
You have a high fever.
So that it's beautiful. Oh. Ay, grabe. Why are you eating the ends only?